Alright guys, welcome back to the show. My name is Paul for those of you who are new. We're going to be covering closed cell spray foam on your post frame building today. Before we get started, if you guys are interested in self-building, check out our Patreon. We help self-builders. We talk about different topics every month. We do lives. Also, if you're interested in designing yourself a post frame building or home, you can reach out to us at design@MrPostFrame. We can help you out with that. But let's go ahead and jump into the video. We just finished up getting this all ready for spray foam. Concrete went in, so after that I like to put my bottom grade board girt on, interior girt, and then my top one, and I'll show you why. So if you look here, here's our bottom girt, interior girt. Here is the edge of the concrete. You can see the plastic used to come up to here. Once the concrete gets poured, we cut it off flush right here. And then I'll have my spray foam guy come in here and he'll fill the bottom of this so it'll adhere to the concrete. It'll adhere to this insulation that goes down the edge of the concrete and under, and it completely seals this cavity off, which I like. So, you know, if your plastic just goes straight under your concrete, it could always creep up moisture could creep up the side and in. So this pretty much seals all this off. And then the spray foam goes all the way up the side. And then if you can see up there, we did the same thing. We put our top girt on, and then we put a 2x6 in there, so they will just fill that cavity up there as well. And that seals off your wall from your unconditioned attic. If you're gonna spray your ceiling, you can just continue up and all through. But in most cases, this is how we do it, because most people don't have the money to go ahead and spray foam the whole roof. But now we're ready for spray foam. They're gonna come next weekend, and then we'll be ready to do all the interior framing. Our spray foamer is coming back to finish this weekend, but one thing you want your spray foamer to do is you want him to start behind these posts. Spray in there on each side and that'll fill up that cavity behind there. You see that he's got that all filled. He does it behind the bracing, he does it in the corners, and that assures you that all that space gets filled in, because you don't want that to be just an open gap back there. But again, you can see I have him fill this bottom area, and that seals off that whole bottom plate area to the concrete, to our insulation that is already there that goes under the concrete. And then you can see up top, he fills that little U-shaped area up there to seal the wall cavity off from your unconditioned space. All right, guys, we're going into the house part. Just kind of address a couple questions. We got a couple questions as why don't you run your electric and plumbing, all that stuff before the spray foam. So this is a post frame home, so our wall cavity is 8.5 inches deep with an exterior girt and an interior girt. So we spray 3 inches of closed cell spray foam. That gives us our vapor barrier, air barrier, seals the wall. But we still have room to run all of our electrical, all of our plumbing, all that kind of stuff. So that's why we choose to do that. It's a lot easier for the spray foam company to get in, spray this wall without any of these interior girts on. So we put those on after the spray foam is done. Let's see. You can see here's a vent. This is actually a vent. It's going to be for the kitchen sink. So there's still room that this vent can go straight up the wall and up into the attic. So that's why we have that all sprayed first. If you're doing like a stick frame house, you might have to do all your plumbing and electrical first and then spray it. But in this case, with this being post frame, we have enough room left over for all that stuff. But anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll do our best to answer them. And like always, we will catch you on the next video.